Welcome back. Today I will tell you how to clean old coins with toilet bowl cleaner. It is very simple. These are old coins and this is a glass plate and this is plain water, room temperature, and this is the clock to keep record of time. Now this is the toilet bowl cleaner. You can take off any brands. It kills 99.99% germs. Original disinfectant toilet cleaner, 5-minute action. You can take off any brand. Well, then I will use the cloth. It is a soft cotton cloth, small piece of cotton cloth. And this is a brush, small size soft brush. Yes, simple toothbrush. Now you should wear gloves. These are very necessary. Don't miss it. Okay, this is my coin which I am going to clean. It is a Pakistani coin, 25 paisa, and this is very dirty and there is lot of stain on its surface. You can appreciate this, and this is the reverse side. There is a star and moon and the date of issue 1992. Many years have passed, so this coin has become dirty and there is lot of stain on it. Well, now I will only clean the upper side. Now follow these steps. First I will place this coin on the plate and then I will open the bowl cleaner and just put one drop on its surface. You can see it is just on its surface and there should be no dilution. Don't use any dilution. Just put the drop as such on the surface of the coin. Well friends, there are a lot of coin cleaners in the market of developed countries. But where I am right now, in the town, I sent my brother to buy a coin cleaner. He looked at every market and every shop. He asked everyone for the coin cleaner and they just said, "What is that? We don't have coin cleaners. Why you need it?" So many people, many shopkeepers even don't know its purpose. And so I couldn't got it. And I tried to clean my coins with detergent, with soaps, and so many things I tried, but there was no use. My coins were dirty as before. So I thought of an idea that I should use the toilet bowl cleaner because it cleans very good. And I was afraid at first, but when I tried it, I was surprised. I was really surprised that it is a very good, I should say, it is an excellent method of cleaning the coins. And there are a lot of people saying that this is not useful and it is very harmful and you should not try it, don't use it. And so I was at first I was afraid of it, but when I tried, I was surprised to find the result. Now, as you have seen, I have removed the first drop from the surface of the coin with my finger, gloved finger, and I have put another drop, a second drop on the surface of the coin. Because the first drop got dirty with the dirt or the stain which have been removed, and so I have to replace it with a new drop so it acts more good. You can see it has started cleaning. At this step you shouldn't touch the coin. You shouldn't rub it or you shouldn't brush it. You should do nothing. Just keep it as such for about 5 minutes because it takes time to act. As it was written on the surface of the cleaner, 5-minute action. So you have to wait for 5 minutes. Don't be in hurry. So just wait for 5 minutes. So you don't have to buy the costly coin cleaners from the market and use other detergents or other things. Just use this. Now, old coins are often dirty because they are placed in cupboards and cabinets and they got stained from the moisture and the environment. And but we never know there is a very valuable gem in these coins and we should keep them clean. And so it is a very simple and easy method to use. I hope you are understanding this and well, keep it as such for a few seconds more. Then I will show you the next step. I am wearing the gloves so the surface is very smooth and it is not damaging the coin. You see all the engraved design is clearly visible. It has not disappeared. It has not faded away or it has not eroded away because of this bowl cleaner. And it has started cleaning. Now, this is very simple and you can perform this method in your home. There is a simple next step which you have to follow. I'm just waiting for the right time. It is about 5 to 6 minutes that you have to let it stay on the surface of the coin and do nothing. Just keep watching and it will do the work by itself automatically. Now you see there is still dirt and stain. Now I am going to do the next step. I will take the brush, the small brush which I have shown you. See, now take the small brush in your hand and just gently rub its surface. Very gently, no pressure. You should not put any pressure, just rub it. See, I am just simply rubbing it. You shouldn't give pressure on the surface of the coin because it will erode the coin and it will damage its surface. Gently and very softly rub the surface with the brush. It will clean by itself because the dirt or the stain has been removed and it is just placed on the surface now. You just have to remove it with the brush. You don't have to put any pressure or just scrub it, or you don't just rub it softly and it will be very clean in seconds. Now you can see it is very clean and smooth and all the design it's still there. There is no erosion and there is no damage to the coin. People say that don't use these type of cleaners because these will erode the coin and will damage the coin. You can see there is a proof in this video that there is no damage and there is no erosion, no scratch. I have done it very gently. Now take the water and dip it and gently wash it just with the glove and don't rub it. Okay, just softly, do it softly. This is the reverse surface which I haven't cleaned, so it is dirty. I have only shown you the upward side, where the 25 paisa is written. It is just to teach you. Now I am taking the soft cotton cloth and I am drying the coin. Do it softly and smoothly. Don't put any scratch on it and just dry it. See, now I have only cleaned the upward side where the 25 is written. See, now it is very clean and there is no dirt, no stain on its surface, and the design is also intact. There is no erosion, no scratches. It is very smooth, soft and original, as new as original. You can see it is the best method to clean your coins. Do it gently. This is the reverse side, which I haven't cleaned it, although it was dipped in that solution. It is somewhat cleaned, but I was not particularly cleaning it. So this is the reverse side. which I haven't cleaned. I have only cleaned the upper side to show you, to teach you how to clean your coins at home. You can see the design is completely intact. Okay, thank you, subscribe.